Welcome to the CryptoCloud channel. In this video, we will give you an overview of the personal account and tell you how to connect acceptance of cryptocurrency payments using our service.
First, you need to sign up, fill out a short questionnaire, and confirm your email address. After signing in, you will be directed to the main page of your personal account. In this section, you will see key metrics, current balance, number of created, paid, and partially paid invoices. You can select the required period for data display in the upper right corner. Below, there is a complete guide for you to add and connect projects. Detailed instructions are provided for each step. On the page, you can also find up-to-date balances, a list of recent transactions, and useful content. To use CryptoCloud, the first thing you need to do is to create a project. On the left side of the screen, click the Add Project tab. Enter the name of the project. It will be displayed on the payment page and on the receipts of your customers. Fill in the boxes in the application form for project. There are clear prompts for all boxes. You can choose the cryptocurrencies you need. After adding a project, you will be able to make the necessary changes to the project settings. You have an opportunity to use CryptoCloud service without a website with the help of convenient manual account creation. If you also want to accept payments on the website, click Next. Enter the domain of your website. Next, fill in the remaining boxes. The necessary instructions can be found on the right side of the screen. If your project is based on a CMS, select the required platform from the list, and the following boxes will be filled in automatically. After filling out the form, click Add Project. Your project has been successfully added in test mode. To activate payment acceptance on your website, you need to integrate in one of the offered ways and deactivate the test mode. In the My Projects section, you can see the status of each project and other key information. After adding a project, you can make additional changes in the settings.
In the settings, you can copy a permanent link to your project page.
Clicking on the link, the client can enter any amount in USD, after which they will be redirected to the page of the created invoice. In the settings, you can upload project logo and thus customize the checkout page. After uploading the logo, we recommend checking its display on the created invoice page. Users can change the list of available payment methods. In the project settings, you can select the payment side of commissions. If you set the client parameter, the commission will be added to the invoice amount. When setting the merchant, the commission will be deducted from the amount credited to your account. You also have the option to set rules for confirming partially paid invoices. For example, by setting it to $1, a $10 invoice created will be considered successfully paid even if the amount sent is $9.50. You can learn more about project customization in our knowledge base. After making edits, don't forget to save your changes.
To automate the payment process on your website, you need to perform an integration. Go to the Integration section and select one of the available connection methods, API, CMS plugins, or Universal HTML module. Detailed instructions are provided for each integration method. The API section provides a step-by-step guide with sample code to help you get started using our Cryptoprocessing. We also create ready-made modules for fast and secure integration of CryptoCloud with popular CMS and regularly update their list. After adding, a test mode is automatically activated for your project. It is necessary to check the correctness of integration. With the test mode enabled, you can create invoices in any available way and confirm them without payment. These invoices will not affect your balance. To test the integration, you need to create an invoice by going to Payment on your website. The created invoice page will be opened in a new tab. To confirm the test invoice and send a payment notification, go to the Payment section, find the desired invoice, and click on it. After opening the invoice page, you will see a button Confirm Invoice Without Payment. When you click on this button, we will send a notification of successful payment to the notification URL of your project. If the invoice status changes to paid, the integration can be considered successful. After a successful integration setup, you need to turn off the test mode. If you have any problems, you can contact our support. Moving on to the payment section. In this section, you can find information about all paid and unpaid invoices. It is possible to select the required time frame, use filters and search to speed up the work with the system. In this section, you can create an invoice for the required amount and immediately receive a link for payment. Select the project for which you want to create an invoice, payment currency, and specify the amount in the selected currency. You can send the invoice to your client's email and set its due time from 3 to 24 hours. In addition, you can set the regularity of sending the invoice to the specified email. For each invoice, you can select available payment methods. After clicking on the Create Manual Invoice button, you will receive a payment link, which you can then send to your client. Let's go to the Balance section. Here you can see the current balance for all currencies of each project, leave a request to withdraw funds from the account, as well as see the history of all operations. There is an opportunity to use search filters as well as to select the necessary time periods. Let's deal with the withdrawal of funds. Click on the Withdraw button. To send a request, you need to specify the wallet address in the appropriate cryptocurrency. The system will calculate the network commission and the final amount for withdrawal. The withdrawal request has been successfully sent. It will be processed by specialists and the money will be transferred to the specified wallet promptly. On the page, you can also find up-to-date balances, a list of recent transactions, and useful content. At the top of the screen, you can view all notifications. Now let's go to the profile settings. In this section, you can change the profile language, set two-factor authentication for reliable protection of your account, check the authorization history for suspicious activity, enable or disable notifications to email and Telegram bot. You can give other users access to certain sections of your account. We constantly work on optimizing the service and regularly release new updates. If you have ideas and suggestions for improvements and enhancements, leave your feedback by clicking on the Send an Idea button in the side menu. Also, in our knowledge base, you can find all necessary instructions and answers to the most frequently asked questions about working with CryptoCloud. If you have any questions or need help, contact our technical support. Sign up for the CryptoCloud service and start accepting cryptocurrency payments today. Thanks for watching.